addressing a hadith on freedom. The best fighting jihad in the path of Allah is to speak a word of justice to an oppressive ruler. Also a quote on freedom. Life without freedom is like a body without spirit. I am very thankful to principal, teachers, and especially to the students for giving me this special time to convey my speech on Independence Day. My topic for the speech is why we celebrate 14 August as our Independence Day. 14 August is our Independence Day, and it means a day when we got freedom from our ruthless, merciless, pitiless, and hard-headed monarchs, hard-headed and rulers and dictators, but also freedom from humiliation, dignity, ignominy, and degradation. 14 August is a day when efforts of our national heroes, protagonists, idols, and cultures were appreciated, rewarded, and celebrated. And a day when we received our own name, honor, respect, reputation, and distinction. As being Muslim,